have an idea. Hello my local fans, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, as you can see, I got myself an AQUAMAXX algae reactor, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install it. So let's not waste any time and get started. Now, I purchased this kit at marinedepot.com. You get a Cobalt 1200 pump. You get the Grow LED strips, and these are pretty cool because they're encased in like a protective rubber. You get 10 feet of tubing so you won't run out. And of course, the reactor itself. Now I went ahead and cleared out my cabinet so I can put the reactor in my desired spot. I do have a hole in my back panel, which I'm gonna feed the lines through to the return pump. I went ahead to my local Home Depot and purchased some zip ties so I can tie the lights to the reactor, and simply started at the bottom, put one zip tie to the tail of the light, and just wrapped it around the reactor evenly, then putting another zip tie on top, making sure everything was even and parallel. Then I cut off the ends, and there you have it. Simple as that. I took out my equipment from the back so I can replace my current return pump with the pump provided in the kit. I then went ahead and measured the tubing to the desired length to connect the reactor inside the cabinet. Now in the near future, I might get some shut-off valves and stuff like that to make maintenance much better. At this time, I also went ahead and did a water change. What's good about the reactor is it adds more volume of water to my tank, and that's always a plus. Also a house for copepods. I got some chatto algae from my local reef store. Thank you, Sea in the City. Look at how green this stuff is. Very healthy. I went ahead and broke it up a little bit to put it around the return nozzle in the reactor and simply insert it into the reactor. In such a confined space, I have to take all the screws off from the top lid, but this is simple to put back together. Make sure you have a tight seal as well. I also had to pick up an extra extension cord so I can light up the reactor. Feed it through the hole and into the plug. Now it's time to fill it up. Hopefully you have enough water. There you have it, guys. The reactor is online. All these micro bubbles will eventually go away. This is due to my skimmer being online as well. Here's a quick glimpse at how I routed the tubing into the return pump. My AQUAMAXX controller, I'm going to replace that, put it somewhere else, just to make it look nicer. I don't mind the tubing sticking out like that. It actually makes my tank look like a robot. Kinda. But there you have it, guys. Everybody seems to be happy, and hopefully the reactor will start bringing down my nutrients and I will definitely show the results. And if you want to see more of my Reef Loco adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And remember, as I always say, keep living la Reef Life Loco. Till next time, everybody, thank you for watching.